Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing theory step by step. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the foundational elements. Start by identifying the core concepts and definitions that underpin nursing theory. Understanding the historical context and evolution of these frameworks is crucial for a comprehensive grasp. You should also learn to differentiate between the three main levels: grand, middle range, and practice level theories. This initial step lays a solid groundwork for deeper exploration. Once you have a basic understanding, it's time to dive deeper into specific theories. Choose one or two prominent nursing theories, such as Orum's self-care deficit theory or Roy's adaptation model, for an in-depth study. Analyze the theorist's background, their underlying assumptions, and the key propositions they put forth. Creating concept maps can be incredibly helpful to visualize the interrelationships between the various concepts within each chosen theory, enhancing your comprehension significantly. The next crucial step involves applying these theories to real-world nursing practice. Identify how theoretical concepts, like self-care or adaptation, manifest in actual clinical scenarios you might encounter. Discuss the practical implications of different theories for patient care, considering how they influence assessment, planning, and intervention strategies. Furthermore, practice formulating nursing interventions that are directly guided by specific theoretical frameworks, ensuring your actions are evidence-based and theoretically sound. Finally, consistent review and critical thinking are paramount for mastering nursing theory. Regularly review and synthesize the main tenets of various theories, perhaps dedicating 15 to 20 minutes daily. Critically evaluate the strengths and limitations of each theoretical model, considering its applicability across diverse patient populations and settings. Engaging in discussions with peers or instructors can significantly deepen your understanding and offer new perspectives, solidifying your knowledge base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.